Hi, good afternoon. Jai Shri Mataji. I'm Dr. Anoop. I had shared a video before about Sahaja Yoga where I spoke about my experience practicing it from the medical point of view. Today I would like to speak little more about the need for treatment and the need for providers and medical facilities and the real importance. Being a doctor, I am an MBBS doctor and I hail from the family of allopathic family filled with doctors. So I feel the need for treatment is very necessary. We all need to treat our health conditions. During an emergency situations or any crisis, we feel extremely stressed and tensed. We feel extremely afraid that if we do not take any treatment, something may happen to us. But in fact, most of the health conditions for which we are seeking treatment, for which we may consider it as emergency, for which we may be misidentified with the condition is in fact might be a situation where there is severe pain for which we cannot tolerate it. So in fact we are going to the hospitals or for emergency situations for a painkiller or say something that will give relief to the pain. So we go to hospitals or clinics to cure pain. This is what most of the people come today to the hospitals. I'm not saying all of the people, but still, majority of us, if we have a pain in the head or if we have pain in our stomach or if we have back pain or if we have chest pain, any kinds of pain, we immediately seek treatment to the emergency ward and we ask for medicines. So what happens is that when we take a medicine, in fact, it will be helpful to reduce the pain. Maybe still it may take time to reduce the pain or maybe on the spot the pain may go. So we believe that the pain has gone completely as a part of medicine. But I would like to request and suggest all my brothers and sisters to try not to take a medicine if the pain is mild pain. I'm not talking about severe pain. If there is severe pain, if you cannot tolerate the pain scale, I would recommend you to take a painkiller immediately. But if the pain is a little mild and if you are able to tolerate, there are different pain scores. There are different scores for pain. So if you're able to tolerate the pain to a certain level, and if you feel and if you have faith in yourself that you can cure the pain, try to hold the pain, give your attention towards that area or that center where that pain is coming, and try to take a deep breath. This is a small exercise I would like to teach you. You can close your eyes, whichever place you have the pain in the stomach or head, whichever part of the body, just take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold for 2 seconds, breathe out, hold for 2 seconds, breathe in, breathe out. Keep doing this for 4 to 5 times. And those who are practicing Sahaja Yoga, you can give vibrations to that area or place using your hands wherever that pain is and just try to figure out and locate the pain initially. We are actually doing all this to locate the pain exactly in which center it is coming, and based on that we can give vibrations. And if it is severe pain, those who do not want to go to hospitals or clinics and those who want to cure it only through other methods, means you have to locate the chakra where the pain is or wherever the blockage is, and for intense treatments may require water or fire. So, my small piece of advice or suggestion to all my friends, all my doctors, all my brothers and sisters is not to consume unnecessary medicines. Once again, I would wish to underline and highlight not to consume unnecessary medicines in case of very slight or mild pain which can be tolerated, just because of being in a myth after reading Google or health journals saying any kind of pain should be cured only through Panadol or painkillers or Olfen. Because today we may not face the side effects, but gradually if we take this or if we make this as a habit to take a painkiller for even a smaller pain, means it will end up in so much of problems in future. So we should try to practice ourselves, self condition ourselves, practice it through our subconscious mind, how to handle the pain, how to release the endorphin hormones, how to reduce the cortisol level and control the pain and eradicate the pain if possible on that day itself or within 2 to 3 days. And Sahaja Yoga is a very good meditation which would help in reducing the amount of entries to healthcare providers and hospitals and clinics. Again, being a doctor, I would never suggest you to sit at home in case of any emergency cases like chest pain or any emergency severe pain. You have to rush to the clinics or hospitals. But if you are able to tolerate the pain, and if you're having strong faith and belief in Sahaj Yoga system and the Sahaj treatments, you can easily cure the pain using meditation and healing. And I have also noticed some people who have been practicing Sahaj Yoga after getting self-realization, they experience headache. The reason is because you must know that self-realization is something which is very precious. What happens to us is that the sleeping power or the unawakened inactive power gets activated, it gets awakened, so it passes through the various subtle centers in a spiral way, and gradually when it reaches on the top of the seat of the spirit resides in the heart and the seat resides on the top. So when the kundalini reaches the sahasrara, it receives the information and it passes on to the spirit in the heart that the kundalini will be reaching on the top, and that's how the information is being transferred between the seat of the spirit as well as the spirit in the heart, and the spirit shines and passes its energy and vibrations, and that is how we are able to feel the cool breeze through our fingertips once the kundalini touches the top of the head. This is the brahmarandra through which you can feel the cool breeze. But the problem here is sometimes the kundalini, after getting self realization, when we go back, sometimes this energy goes down. Initially it may clear whichever blockages, the centers or the chakras or the nerve plexus, whichever nerve plexus were having blockages or catches, it would definitely clear the energy. But sometimes after clearing, after touching till the top of the brahmarandra, it comes and sometimes it may clear that chakra, and sometimes it will be stuck in the chakra where there is problem. So that is the reason why sometimes even if the kundalini awakens and even if we all feel the cool breeze, we get misguided or misidentified thing that why we are not able to feel the cool breeze again. It's very easy. You should practice meditation daily. Try to awaken your kundalini. Keep yourself in the center, and in the present when you are experiencing, when you can request to Sri Mataji saying, Mother, please give me self-realization. Mother, please give me pure joy, the true joy in the present. Mother, please give me Atma Sakshatkara. So immediately you can start feeling the cool breeze. But still, again, those who receive realization for the first time, after some time, they may feel heavy pressure on the head, the reason is because sometimes the kundalini may get stuck at that area, and this can also be due to any previous falsehoods or false gurus or false books which we would have accidentally read about kundalini or something of that sort. So as I told in my previous video, the nabi chakra deals with the attention also, and it is also the ocean of illusion. So the attention in our nabi chakra is affected, and that's why maybe the power of the previous gurus or the previous books or previous any lectures or talks related to spirituality which we would have blindly followed, that might remain back there. And as I told, headache can also be of two kinds, related to brain as well as due to git. So that is the reason why the kundalini might get stuck in the nabi again after going up, and it comes back again. And that's why some people, those who get self realization, may have a heaviness in the head. So you have to do foot soak 2 times a day, and make sure you practice daily meditation. And you can also keep a candle straight in front of Sri Mataji's photograph, and you can look straight through the candle towards the photograph. If this is Sri Mataji's photograph, you can keep the candle and look straight through the candle flame. You have to look through the candle flame and make sure the photograph should be straight, and you have to look. Immediately your pressure and pain in the head will be released. I also used to face in my initial stages about headache. So if it is again right sided, means you have to use ice. If it's left sided, you can use the candle for removing headache. And also do regular foot soak. The pressure and the heaviness will be reduced. So my today's message to all of you is, please go to hospitals for emergency purpose. Never try to go to any place for mild issues or say anything like, which can be sorted out by taking proper rest and care and proper healthy nutrition. Because hospitals, it's not their mistake. They may feel that the condition need to be treated. At the end, it's the duty of the doctors and the healthcare professionals to make us comfortable and make us free of pain. So when we take the painkiller, we may feel we are comfortable, but this same pain can be cured at home also through natural remedies, lifestyle modification, and beyond all that through Sahaja Yoga meditation. This is my only message to spread for today. Thank you so much, all of you. Jai Shri Mataji. Thank you.